my Instagram followers decided whether I should go to Rotterdam to do abseiling from Euromast, or whether I should go over here in Rocamassima to do like a very big, one of Europe's biggest zipline. And they decided this. I'm going to the zipline in a few moments. Basically, it's right over there. But yeah, anyways, so let's check out and let's go there so I don't miss it. Yeah, that's going to be me basically. Alright, so I'm shooting with my own GoPro, which means I got like a stand. You cannot see it obviously, and this is the ticket. Yeah, I weigh 87 kilograms. It's possible to go there up to like 120. So okay, it is recording. Okay, now where are the glasses? Okay, it's okay. You can come here. Okay, attention to this. Okay, now Lukas, you can go with your weight on your chest.
Okay, like this?
Go.
Go.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, the hands back. Here. Okay.
Okay.
Here and here. Okay, are you ready, Lukas?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Ok, singolo 87, vela nera montata, partito.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Lukas. Nice to meet you. Have a good time.
Have a good time as well.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you down there.
Speak Italian?
English probably, but
Okay, bend your legs and stand up.
okay.
Perfect.
Wow. I mean, it was cool. I actually got to go there a bit sooner because nobody was there. So even though I reserved it for like 11:48, it was like 11:20, and I mean, I'm already down. It's a bit hot right now, and the fact that I'm wearing maybe 10 kilograms of stuff plus my backpack doesn't really help, but it's fine. You're going so high in the air carrying this, and return it back there. That's where I came from. Yeah, and basically there's also a shuttle bus which takes us back to the Rocamassima over there, because this is in the middle of nowhere. I mean, you could walk for like half an hour or 1 hour to get to the nearest bus stop, but I mean, it's probably better to be up there again. I'm back over here in the Rocamassima. By my opinion, like, the zipline was fine. Expect it to be like 1.5 or 2 minutes